Jack Skeleton. New Year's Eve fireworks show. Well, it's now, according to the clock, almost 2025. Let's go out on the street and see what's going on. Hey, look at that sky, it's lighting up. Okay, people, aerials are illegal in Hawaii, but look at this. We got a great show for the next half an hour. It's gonna be blasting. All right. 2025. That side is a mess. Can't beat that view. Bombs bursting in air.
Yeah, got breathing problems.
first beer of New Year. There it is. Our first beer of the New Year. It's our favorite beer. That's all. Right. Okay. Looks like it's starting to diminish. Right over our heads. Amazing. Look at that. Look at this. Right in the sky. Hey! Happy New Year. Okay, what about this guy? Whoa! Meanwhile, over there. Oh yeah, it shakes the ground. That was the screaming demons. Hear it. Ow. Oh, it must be right behind the, on the other side of the house. I'm still going, look at that. Wow. So red, white, and blue seems to be pretty popular. That must have been a couple $1 million worth of fireworks went off right there.
They're normal citizens, no companies.
Just everyday people, just blowing all their paychecks for the enjoyment of us.
Thank you.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Everyone out there, you've made us very happy this year. Exploding all these fireworks. And 2025 is going to be even a greater year for us. And for everyone out there as we move forward. Going. The sky is still lighting up. Oh, look down out there. Are illegal in Hawaii, but look at this. We got a great show for the next half an hour. It's gonna be blasting. All right. Well, folks, that's how we celebrate New Year's Eve in Hawaii. We'd like to thank you all for enjoying this year with us and to the future.
To the future.
Dean and Tina G.
Yep, to the future.
To the future. All right, folks.
Bye.
Bonus video. These people just don't want to give up with the fireworks. They're just going on and on and on. where that drone went. He probably got blasted. Blasted out of the sky. Up. The Makuli Road takes it. They're still going. Or that side anyway. All right, folks. Happy New Year. Oh, I see a drone down there flying over that house. You see it blinking through the lights. The lights blinking through the trees. Bottom. He's hovering over there. Hovering. It's a great Christmas, and it's going to be a great New Year. 2025 coming up. Beautiful Christmas with our Hawaiian Christmas tree. Hawaiian Christmas tree.